Section 1. Your Gateway to the USA, Understanding the DS-160 Form. Embarking on your academic journey to the United States begins with a crucial step, completing the DS-160 form. This online application, officially known as the Online Non-Immigrant Visa Application, is the gateway for students aspiring to study in the land of opportunity. It's your chance to provide the U.S. government with essential information about yourself and your intentions for studying in the USA. Think of the DS-160 form as your introduction, even before you step foot on American soil. It's through this form that you communicate your background, your academic aspirations, and your commitment to abiding by U.S. immigration laws. Completing this form accurately and truthfully is paramount, as any discrepancies or omissions can lead to delays or even denial of your student visa application. Remember, the DS-160 form is more than just a formality, it's the foundation upon which your student visa application rests. So, approach this process with care, attention to detail, and a commitment to presenting yourself honestly and transparently. Your dream of studying in the USA starts with a well-prepared DS-160 form. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step roadmap to navigating the DS-160 form. We'll break down each section, offer clear instructions, and equip you with the knowledge to complete your application with confidence. Let's get started on turning your American education dreams into reality. Section 2. Navigating the DS-160, a section-by-section breakdown. The DS-160 form might seem daunting at first glance, but it's designed to be straightforward. We'll break it down into manageable sections, making it easy to understand and complete. Personal information. This section requires your basic details such as your full name, date of birth, and nationality. Double-check for any spelling errors, as even minor inaccuracies can cause issues later. Travel information. Here you'll specify your travel plans, including your intended date of arrival in the USA and the address where you'll be staying. Have your travel itinerary handy to ensure accuracy. Education and work history. This section delves into your academic and professional background. Be prepared to provide details about your educational institutions, degrees earned, and any previous employment. Security and background. This part covers security-related questions, including your travel history and any previous visa applications. Answer truthfully and to the best of your knowledge. These are just a few of the key sections you'll encounter on the DS-160 form. Each section is important, so dedicate enough time to understand the questions and provide accurate information. Section 3. Avoiding common pitfalls. Ensuring a flawless DS-160 application. Even with the best intentions, applicants can make mistakes on the DS-160 form. By being aware of these common errors, you can avoid them and submit a flawless application. Inconsistent information. Ensure all details on your DS-160 form match those on your passport and other supporting documents. Any inconsistencies, even in spelling, can raise red flags. Incomplete sections. Leaving sections blank or incomplete is a common mistake. Review each section carefully and provide all required information. If a question doesn't apply to you, select Not Applicable instead of leaving it blank. Incorrect photo format. The DS-160 form requires a specific photo format. Ensure your photo meets the guidelines outlined on the application website to avoid delays. Remember, attention to detail is crucial. Thoroughly review your completed DS-160 form before submission to catch any errors and ensure a smooth application process. Section 4. Tips for success. Smooth sailing through your DS-160 submission. Here are some additional tips to make your DS-160 submission process as smooth as possible. Gather your documents. Before you start filling out the form, gather all necessary documents including your passport, visa interview appointment confirmation, and CVIS fee receipt. Use a reliable internet connection. The DS-160 form is an online application. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid losing your progress. Save your progress. The application allows you to save your progress and return later. Take advantage of this feature to avoid starting from scratch if you need to take a break. Review and submit. Once you've completed the form, review all your answers carefully. After confirming everything is accurate, submit your application. By following these tips and guidelines, you'll be well on your way to submitting a successful DS-160 application and moving closer to your dream of studying in the USA.